Overture Buckhead South.
After looking at about 50 other properties, I kept going back to Overture, and I just couldn't stay away.
We moved to Overture because it was very close to restaurants, stores.
I can go to Ross, I can go to Home Depot, Target, I can even get my hair done.
And it's right up the road from my son.
A furnished apartment.
The best part for me is being able to go downstairs and hang out with my friends and have a good time. Every day just about there's something going on. We have a lot of residents that participate in all of our games, and they are really fun.
It gives us a chance to interact with our friends, so it becomes not only a good activity, but an interaction, social activity as well.
Of all the places I've had in the world, what count for the people?
I love the opportunity to meet others, and I like just kind of being to myself sometimes. It's a resort-type facility. You feel like, you're in some vacation home. They have a facility for fitness, and I love to work out.
It's got everything anybody could want, I think.
A salon and spa.
I'm always trying to get my friends to come and be my neighbor.
It's been good, and this place is just a star on the top.
It was the right place for me.
A barbecue lounge area sits next to an outdoor pool. Text, Overture Buckhead South. 55+ apartment homes.